Welcome back friends to a new video. In this video we'll be covering about what exactly is ChatGPT, a chatbot that is developed by OpenAI, and why is it getting popular due to its various use cases that users have discovered. We'll be covering various topics like what exactly is ChatGPT, what are the various use cases due to which it is gaining such a huge popularity, and how exactly does it work, what is the working principle behind it, and we'll be answering the big question here that whether ChatGPT will be able to replace the era of search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc. If you see on their website, ChatGPT is basically a chatbot which interacts with the users in a conversational way, making the users feel as if they are having a conversation with a human. And it is designed to have capabilities such as answering follow-up questions, admitting its mistake. It can challenge incorrect premises and reject inappropriate requests. If you see, there are various use cases why it is gaining popularity, and these use cases includes drafting human-like emails, essays, to even doing your homework for you. And programmers are even able to use ChatGPT to solve minor errors in their code and fix bugs in their code that they were finding difficult to resolve, which is like a tutor for them. After which, there's only one thing that we can say for the makers of ChatGPT.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Let us now see the working of ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works. Okay, so basically, if you read their web page, you would understand that ChatGPT is based on a reinforcement learning from human feedback, that is RLHF mechanism, wherein which is similar to another OpenAI project that is InstructGPT with slight differences in the data collection setup. They have trained the initial model using supervised fine tuning, which is basically where a process wherein the human AI trainers pretend to be both users as well as the AI assistant and develop a conversational experience. Okay, so to fine tune this in the later stage, what they do is they create a reward model for reinforcement learning. In this, what happens is they collect comparison data which consists of two or more responses from the model, and it is ranked by the AI trainers. The best response is selected and ranked higher in comparison to the other responses, making the chatbot easy for it to train and understand which response would be fit for a particular query. Let us now come to the hot topic, that is Google versus ChatGPT. So, is there a chance that the Googling feature that which we had since ages of searching through different web pages to find a solution, is there a chance that that kind of stuff would disappear after ChatGPT has come? Because what it does is it finds you the perfect answer, rephrases it, and explains it in a very simple and understandable manner. So let us discuss upon this. Google has also come up with a similar versions of ChatGPT, which is like an example could be Lambda, wherein it is able to portray the potential that Google has. It basically has all the thing it needs. It has the AI power which is required to fight against ChatGPT and develop an application similar to ChatGPT, if not better. But why isn't Google setting up such infrastructure? Why isn't Google setting up such environment, developing such an application? It is because it will ruin the search business, which is basically using ads to monetize Google and keep it free for us. The ads that you see when you search web pages is how Google earns its money, and giving direct responses the way ChatGPT does will ruin that income for the Google, which is its pocket money.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
Okay, so coming to our question, if the same question was asked to ChatGPT, someone tried asking ChatGPT the same question and this was its response. So ChatGPT says no, ChatGPT is not a search engine like Google. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-Training Transformer. which is a language model, which is a type of artificial intelligence that is trained to generate human-like text. It is not designed to perform tasks such as searching an answer or queries like a search engine. Instead, it is intended to generate text based on a given prompt or input and can be used for tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and language generation. Therefore, it may not be able to compete directly with Google, but it will definitely be an additional feature that Google can use or people can use apart from Google search in order to simplify lives. Thank you very much. If you have liked the information from our channel that we have conveyed through this video, please do consider hitting a subscribe button and also liking this video to let us know. Thank you very much. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.